Dear my students, already we are learned in last class what is the history and what are the importance of history. So, what is the history means? History is record the events of past. Record the events of past. So, history is useful thing in many others way. So these points already we have studied in last class. Now today we are learn about source. What is meant by source and what are the uses of source? And then now what is the and now how construct the history. These points we are learn today. Source. Source are help to historians in construct the history. Without source, no history. Some people say no history, no source, no history. So that reason, when historians construct the history, that time useful things source are very useful things. So now history means history is a record of past or history is a systematic study of the past. So historians try to construct the history based on source. Historians replaced the past and reconstructed the past based on the source. So, source are help to historians for the written the history. Historians lack advocates because advocates collect evidence first, collect evidence and then advocates present their arguments in the court. It's the same way. Historians first collect source and so how many collect source? Thus all sources get the examinations and investigations. So then write the history. Just examinations and analysis and then write the history. So this way history is constructed. Sometimes you ask to me, so sometimes not available source. That time what do the historians? So yes, I agree your question. Sometimes not available source. That time historians make imagine based on the available source. When not available exact source, that time historians make get imagine based on the available source. Dear students, now we are new what are the importance of the source. Just I explain importance of the source in the only one word. So no source, no history. Without sources cannot construct the history. Any historians. So we are construct the history. Definitely we have important, valuable, available source. So dear students, now we are learn about importance of the source. Just what is meant by source or what are the source? Just you listen. Human beings have used money, things and primary source. Writing materials were considered the primary source. Here mainly two types are there. Source in mainly two types are there. First one literary source and archaeological source. And next we are again literary source divided again two types. One native source and foreign literary. Foreign literary and native literary. So literary source is types of one source. In literary source we are divided two types. First one native literary and foreign literary. In next archaeological literary. In archaeological source in many types. For example, coins, paintings, excavations, mountains, many types are there. So now we are studying about literary source. Now this class we are studying about literary source. Literary sources in first one type native source. First one type native source. So what is meant by native source? Native source created by Indians or native persons. Native source created by Indians or native source in many languages, because in India many languages are there. So native source created by Indians or native persons in many languages. For examples, Prakrita, Sanskriti, Pali, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Kannada, etc. So many languages are there in India. So native sources are in many languages. For examples, I give some examples of native source. First one, so Kautilya. Kautilya is a great person in ancient period in Maurya's and Magadha's empire. So he wrote Arthashastra. He wrote Arthashastra. So, what is the explain to the Arthashastra? So, Arthashastra gives the valuable importance to us. So, Kautilya's Arthashastra gives to us information of Magadha and Maurya's empire. Arthashastra helped to us get the knowledge about Mauryas and Magadhas. So, Kautilya's Arthashastra is also considered native source. And then next one, Hala's Gatha Saptasati. Hala's Gatha Saptasati. So, Hala's Gatha Saptasati, this work also gives the valuable information to us or to historians. Because who was Hala's? Hala's 17th king of Shatavahanas. 17th king of Shatavahanas. He wrote Gatha Saptasati in Vishakhadatta Mudra Rasasa. So Vishakhadatta Mudra Rasasa gives the information about Chandragupta Maurya and his early history and Maurya's administrations. These all things we are known by Mudra Rasasa. Mudra Rasasa is help to us or gives the information to us about the Maurya's empire and Maurya's administrations and Maurya's constitutions also. And then Banabhatta Harshacharite. Banabhatta Harshacharite. So Banabhatta is lived in the Vardhana Empire, especially in Harshavardhana court. Banabhatta is lived in the Harshavardhana court. He wrote Harshacharite. Harshacharite gives the information about achievement of Harshavardhana and Great War, Narmada War. Narmada War happened in 634 CE. Narmada War happened between Harshavardhana and second Pulkeshi. So, Banabhatta Harshacharite explains about Narmada War and gives the information of Harshavardhana, achievements of Harshavardhana and administrations of Vardhana Empire and contributions of Vardhana Empire. All things we are very well known, all things we are very easily when we are read the Harshacharita. So many native sources are there. For example, Pampas Vikrama, Charitra Vikrama, Arjuna Vijaya and Chand Varda is Prithviraj also. So many sources and many words are there in native source. Is all things we are gives the many information and help to the historians in construction in the history. And next one we are studied about foreign source. Next, we are studying about foreign source. Dear student, you live in India. You very well know about your country. India is a great country and beautiful and well country. So, many foreigners visited India as travelers, businessmen, officials and missionaries. So these persons have recorded their experience in their works. These works are considered foreign source. You know what is the foreign source? Foreign source means many foreigners visited our country, visited to our country or visited to India and lived many years and have recorded their experience in their works. These all works we are considered foreign source. For example, Megasthenes. Megasthenes were Inca. Indica. And then Huayns U K coincidence CUK and then Payana then Payana Payana's verb go key and etc. Now Megasthenes. Megasthenes is a diplomat. He visited in Maurya's age. And his work indica explain about Maurya's administrations and Maurya's kings, achievements of Maurya's kings, many things explain the indica. Indica explain about the Maurya's temples and achievements of Mauryas and contributions to the society of Mauryas. So these all things explain the indica. And then Fuentes. Fuentes is a great person. He visited in 7th century. Fuentes visited our country in 7th century. He lived in 18 years. He lived in India. He lived 18 years in India. His work CUK gives valuable information about Harshavardhana and second Pulakesi. This work also explain about Narmada War. CUK is explain about Narmada War also. CUK explain about Harshavardhana's empire and achievements of Harshavardhana and Immadi Pulakesi also and Narmada War. And then Payana visited in 5th century. Payana visited our country in 5th century. He also gives information about Gupta's empire, especially Gopuri. This work gives the information about Gupta's administrations. So these are things. Many words are there in the following source. And in sometimes some kings visited our country and created their own empire. For example, Babur, Akbar, Jahangir, Qutbuddin Aibar. So many persons are there. So that way, Babur in Middle Age history, many Muslims writers written many words. For example, Babur, then Jahangir, and then Abdul Qadir, so and etc. Babur wrote Tujki-e-Babur. Babur. And then Jahangir wrote Jahangir-Nam. And Abdul Qadir wrote Akbar-Nam. Akbar-Nam. Babur is the great person in the Middle history. Babur wrote Tujki-e-Babur. Tujki-e-Babur is work explain about Babur administrations achievements of Babur and early life of Babur. Babur's another work, Baburnama. Baburnama also written by Babur. Baburnama is biography of Babur. So, Baburnama is explain about early life of Babur and how to create the Mughal Empire in our country or in India. This all points explain the Baburnama. Baburnama and Tujki Babari, those words gives the valuable information to us about the Babur. And then Jahangir wrote Jahangirnama. Jahangirnama written by Jahangir. This book explains about Jahangir and Jahangir early life, Jahangir administrations. So many things explain about. And Abdul Qajar. Abdul Qajar is great person. He lived in Akbar Court. He lived in Akbar Court in the Middle Age. That time he gave the money experience and record and have record in Akbarnama. Akbarnama gives the more valuable information about the Akbar. Akbar is the great king of Mughal Empire. So how was the great king and what are the achievements of Akbar and how was the his Akbar administration? All things explain the Akbar namas. So this way, these all words we are considered foreign source. You ask the questions, Babur, Jahangir, Abdul Qajar and Akbar is not foreigners, but he came other country in ancient, in Middle Age, and then he built their own empire. That reason we consider all of them foreigners. So these all was considered foreign source. Totally, native source and foreign source help to the historians in construction history. So these words not available to the historians. We not construct the history and we are not studying the history. In history, we are studying about Babur, Jahangir, Akbar, Abdul Qajar, Harshvardhana, Badami Chalukyas. Many empires we are studying history based on the source, available source. So totally, the source help to the historians and construct the history. So no source, no history. Without source, not construct the history. That reason, source is the very important in construct the history. So today we are learn about what is meant by source and what are the important of source and how many types are the source. And then in next class we are